Hey guys, welcome to another juicing video. In this video I'd like to share with you a juicing recipe that fights cancer, energizes your body, detoxifies your cells, and leaves you feeling refreshed and young again. For those of you who watched my previous videos know that I do recommend low speed RPM masticating juices because high RPM juices totally decimates the nutritional value and oxidizes micronutrients in your juice with high RPMs. The juicer that I use is the Angel juicer, which I have used for over 5 years without any problems. This is the juicer that I recommend. It's made up of surgical steel, which lowers contamination and bacterial growth. So the juice that we're going to make today is very simple. It's actually inspired by the Gerson Therapy book written by Charlotte Gerson. We're only going to use 3 ingredients, which are apples, carrots, and ginger. Carrots have special enzymes that release cancer-fighting properties in apples. So that's why 10 of 13 daily juices that are recommended in the Gerson Therapy are actually carrot and apple juices. And they've seen incredible results with cancer patients. Even if you're not suffering from cancer, this juice is an absolute must for your daily consumption. We're going to add some ginger to it to spice it up and give it an extra kick. And stick to the end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the detoxifying properties of any juice with a simple step. So now we have cut up the apples and I'm going to wash the carrots and slightly and gently scrub them with a Scotch-Brite. They are clean and full of nutrients. I just want to show you how clean you can get your carrots to come out with simply using a Scotch-Brite. If you have organic and locally raised carrots, you don't need to peel them. Beautiful. Now we're going to cut a little bit of this ginger. Ginger is a fantastic and a superfood, and it also helps to detoxify your body and preserve the juice a little bit longer. We'll cut it into small pieces with the skin. This way we can simply add them to our juice in increments and make sure that it doesn't make our juice overly spicy. You will have your juice in this container here, and the pulp will simply come all the way forward and out into this container. The reason we chose this juicer is because of the Gerson Therapy recommendation. Dr. Gerson did major studies on cancer and diabetic patients, and he did not find any recovery from those patients who used high RPM juicers. The way you want to start your juicing is by using the softer vegetables first. This way the harder vegetables like carrots and beets help push the pulp of softer fruits and vegetables like apples and pears. Also, when you cut your apples, make sure that you do not get rid of the seeds. The seeds are very important. They contain high levels of B17, which is a major cancer-fighting vitamin. Now we're going to juice the carrots. Now it's time to put in our ginger. From experience, I know how much ginger I prefer, so I'm going to add them in without actually taste testing the juice. Okay, our simple but powerful juice is ready. I've got the juice here. It's covered with foam at the top, and I've got the pulp here. I'm not gonna just throw the pulp in the garbage. I'm going to put it in my vermicomposting system. If you have a composting system, whether it's vermicomposting or regular composting, make sure you use the pulps and not throw them out. The juice is covered with foam. This happens every time because every vegetable has a certain amount of impurity, whether it's organic, whether it's conventional. So during the juicing process, the scum, as they say, rises to the top. So what you have to do is simply scoop up the foam and throw it out. Now comes the part which I promised you at the beginning of the video. What we're going to add to this juice is, of course, some vitamin C. Vitamin C enhances the antioxidant properties of your juice and also helps it to preserve longer. So I'm going to use sodium ascorbate in powder form. You can also use ascorbic acid. I've already explained the difference between these two vitamin C's and other forms of vitamin C. If you're interested to see that, I will put a link in the description below to that video and also at the top corner of your screen. Perfect. Every tablespoonful is about 4 grams. I'll add 2 of those. And the last thing I'm going to add to this juice is ancient mineral magnesium oil, which is actually edible. I'm going to give it a shake. The benefits of using magnesium and adding magnesium to your juices is that, again, it will enhance the nutritional value of your juice. Also, these days, because of over-farming and the depletion of our farmlands, most of our fruits and vegetables are actually low in magnesium. So you want to add your magnesium to your juice. This is, of course, optional. You do not have to do it. I've done a video also on the importance of magnesium and the right forms of magnesium, which I will also link in the description below. Give it a good shake, and we're ready to consume. I can put this one in my fridge for later consumption today or tomorrow. This juice is very powerful, full of antioxidants, full of nutrients. The carrots and the apples work synergistically together to release nutrients from each other and complement each other's micronutrients. And in your body, it's just an amazing form of detoxification and rejuvenation. Add to that the ginger, add to that the vitamin C and the magnesium, and just reap the benefits. Definitely have one of these juices every day. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel. We will be having more videos, and we have lots of other videos which you can go and take a look from previous episodes. And as a reminder again, let's learn from nature together, one step at a time. God bless you all.